Hello to everyone, you are watching KG Decor and Lifestyle. Today I will give you some new ideas to decor coffee table for fall. First of all, vary the height of item. A vase with flowers or branches is perfect. Secondly, use different texture and colors. The woven tray, the small rosemary plant and velvet pumpkins add some interest. There are so many ways to decorate your home in a tasteful and festive way for all. Pumpkins, gourds, autumn foliage, and pine cones are a handful of popular themes that can serve as inspiration. You can mix all of these elements together across your mantle, or you can stagger them artfully down your front steps. Interior designs recommended incorporating some of your favorite textures, whether that's your seashell collection of the books you are reading, fruits, real or fake. Fruit, real or fake, design books, candles, and even your children's toy can look interesting when you display them thoughtfully. A coffee table is not just for looks, though. Make leaves the centerpiece of a fall table by layering natural branches with leaf-shaped decor objects inspired by charm. Embellish this leaf-inspired fall table with clear vases of fall branches filled with fresh autumn leaves that are complemented by the die leaf shape, cork coasters, and shrubs on the table. How to decorate a table for autumn? Bring on the color. Color doesn't have to fade away just because it's fall. Add some excitement to your table with harvest gold, jewel tones, flowers, and brilliant blue place settings. Pile leafy green vegetables and bright yellow lemons in your centerpiece. Autumn is chock full of holiday festivities around the world, such as Halloween, Thanksgiving, and Dia de los Muertos. Autumn holidays are particularly enjoyable because of wonderful meals, tasty treats, elaborate costumes, and rich colors that go along with the celebrations. Change your throw pillows, sugar, and cloth. Put pumpkins center stage everyday home. Lean into neutral dried arrangements, Eva images. Add terrarium in 10 minutes. Add colors to your kitchen. Decorate with a dried grass skirt. Create seasonal candles. Update your chalkboard. And what are the trends for coffee tables? Scandinavian, mid century modern, survival, storage, marble, artistic, tech integrated, nested pieces. Flowers, candles, and vases are all excellent items to use and centerpiece for your table decor. When using these, try to stick. Thank you for watching my video.